This is Vaisala Indigo 520 probe transmitter. So this is the unit. You give in 24 volt DC and you can get RS485. You have an option to connect another probe, so you can connect two probes at a time for RHT CO2 hydrogen peroxide. Now we have this service port to calibrate, and you can just plug in the Ethernet and get the readings on your local server as well. So I switch it on. It will take some time to switch it on, so it gets set. This is Vaisala's smart probe HMP3. So HMP3 can be used as a standalone unit. You have this port which gives RS485, so you can directly configure it with your PLC SCADA for taking the readings. We have different probes. So this is for humidity temperature. You can get CO2 hydrogen peroxide probe as well. So Indigo 520 is basically a robust transmitter which can be mounted in harsh conditions. So IP68 rated and touch screen based. So it takes some time to switch on. So the time it takes to buffer is around 3 to 4 minutes. So meanwhile I will connect the HMP3 probe. So this is also a very nice feature. So yeah, this from some distance you can see whether the probe is working well or not. So the green signal, blinking signal, shows that the readings are fine and there is no malfunction. But as soon as you get the red, then there is some problem in the probe or maybe some malfunction. So it has been configured for relative humidity and temperature. You can see 4 readings at a time for one probe, but if there are 2 probes, then probe 1 you will get them labeled here, and the probe 2 will show the different readings of depending on what the measurements are. You go to the menu, you can set the parameters. So relative humidity, I can set any parameter, calculated parameter from relative humidity and temperature. So I have selected 4 parameters: relative humidity, temperature, dew point, mixing ratio. You can even plot the graph. So here I have selected mixing ratio and temperature. You can select any hygrometric parameter for which you want to plot the graph. In notifications, you will receive the notifications for any alarm or something, maybe any malfunction. In outputs, you get the outputs: analog output, relays, Modbus, TCP, IP. In transmitter, you can set the date and time. Compensation can be set, language, and then you have network. In network, you just connect. When you connect the Ethernet cable, you put the static IP and you can see the readings on your local network. Going back to the home page, the date and time is set. So as you toggle, then you get the graphic between mixing ratio and temperature, and then outputs and relays, whatever you set, it can be seen here. Thank you.